Do you want to know how you can check your balance on Unibet? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can check your balance on Unibet. Go ahead and open any browser and then go to unibet.co. After you open Unibet, you can see the login option. Go ahead and log into your account. After you're done with your login, go ahead and click on login, which is over here, and it will take you to the official page. You can directly see your account balance over here. So you can see the main account balance, the restricted balance, and the total bonuses available, and the total funds here too. So you can just simply click on this and you can see your balance clearly. So guys, this is how you check out your balance on Unibet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.